Today, we're diving into an exciting comparison between two unique investment opportunities, the Iraqi Dinar and the Vietnamese Dong. Join us as we uncover insights, analyze trends, and hear real investor stories to determine which currency could multiply your investment portfolio. Economic Overview. In our first segment, we dive deep into the current economic climates of Iraq and Vietnam, spotlighting the forces driving their currencies. Vietnam has recently made headlines with a stunning GDP growth rate, soaring to a remarkable 7% this year. This surge is fueled by robust exports and increasing foreign direct investments, particularly in technology and manufacturing sectors. The Vietnamese Dong, VND, benefits directly from this economic vitality, offering potential stability and growth prospects for investors. On the other hand, Iraq's economy remains heavily tied to its oil exports. Recent spikes in global oil prices have bolstered the Iraqi economy, potentially strengthening the Iraqi Dinar, IQD. However, investors must watch closely as Iraq navigates its political landscape, which significantly impacts its economic stability and, consequently, the value of its currency. We'll analyze how these economic dynamics play a pivotal role in shaping the investment potential of the IQD and VND, providing you with the knowledge to make informed investment decisions. Currency stability and performance. As we examine the stability and performance history of the Iraqi Dinar, IQD, and the Vietnamese Dong, VND, it's important to understand how each currency has weathered economic fluctuations and global financial shifts. The IQD has experienced significant volatility, influenced largely by internal political instability and fluctuating oil prices. This volatility often presents a high-risk, high-reward scenario for currency traders and investors. In contrast, the Vietnamese Dong has shown remarkable resilience in the face of global economic changes. Despite its historically lower valuation, the VND has benefited from Vietnam's steady economic growth and increasing integration into the global market. This stability makes the Dong a potentially safer bet for those looking to invest in emerging market currencies. To fully appreciate the dynamics at play, we'll look at the past decade's exchange rate movements, economic reforms, and pivotal events that have impacted each currency. This historical perspective will not only inform potential investment strategies, but also help investors understand the risk profiles associated with the IQD and VND. Investment potential. Looking forward, the investment landscape for the Iraqi Dinar, IQD, and the Vietnamese Dong, VND, appears rich with opportunities, but also filled with uncertainties. For the IQD, future investment potential hinges on Iraq's ability to stabilize politically and manage its vast oil resources effectively. Any significant advancement in these areas could lead to a revaluation of the dinar, offering substantial returns to savvy investors. Meanwhile, the Vietnamese Dong's potential is closely tied to the country's ongoing economic reforms and its burgeoning role in international trade, especially within ASEAN, and with major trading partners like the US and China. With Vietnam's economy showing resilience and consistent growth, the Dong is poised to strengthen, making it an attractive option for investors looking for stability in an emerging market currency. Risks and rewards. Investing in the currencies of emerging markets like Iraq and Vietnam comes with its set of challenges and rewards. The Iraqi dinar is fraught with risks associated with geopolitical tensions and economic dependency on oil. These factors can lead to significant fluctuations in the dinar's value, presenting both risk and opportunity for high returns depending on global oil prices and regional stability. On the other hand, the Vietnamese Dong, while more stable, faces risks from global economic slowdowns, which could affect Vietnam's export-driven economy. However, the potential rewards are promising due to the country's steady economic growth, increasing foreign investments, and strategic economic reforms aimed at enhancing its financial systems and trade relationships. Expert opinions. To provide a more nuanced view of the investment potential of the Iraqi Dinar, IQD, and the Vietnamese Dong, VND, we've gathered insights from a panel of financial experts. These specialists bring years of experience in currency markets and have a deep understanding of geopolitical and economic factors that influence currency values. They will share their perspectives on the future movements of the IQD and VND, highlighting potential economic triggers, policy changes, and international economic trends that could impact these currencies. Experts will debate the viability of investing in the dinar amidst Iraq's ongoing political challenges and the dong's prospects amidst Vietnam's burgeoning economic reforms. Their analysis will help clarify complex dynamics, offering predictions that could aid investors in making more informed decisions about these potentially lucrative but complex currency markets. Practical investment advice. Investing in foreign currencies like the IQD and VND requires not only an understanding of market trends, but also practical know-how. This section provides actionable advice for those interested in adding these currencies to their investment portfolios. We'll guide viewers through the process of currency trading, from selecting the right financial instruments and platforms to understanding the legal considerations involved in currency investment. We'll also discuss strategies for risk management, such as currency hedging and diversification. Practical tips on timing the market, leveraging economic announcements, and understanding currency exchange mechanisms will be covered to equip investors with the tools they need to navigate these complex markets successfully. Whether you're a novice looking to make your first currency investment or an experienced trader seeking to expand your portfolio, this segment will provide you with a clear roadmap for investing in the IQD and VND effectively and safely. Investor experiences. Hearing firsthand from those who have actually invested in the Iraqi Dinar, IQD, and the Vietnamese Dong, VND, can provide invaluable insights and serve as a reality check for potential investors. In this section, we bring you a series of testimonials from diverse investors who have navigated the highs and lows of these unique markets. From John, who invested in the IQD during a period of political uncertainty and managed to capitalize on a favorable swing in oil prices for significant returns, to Lisa, a strategic investor in the VND, who utilized Vietnam's economic stability and growth to build a steady income stream. Each story will delve into their strategies, their experiences with market volatility, and their ultimate outcomes. These real-life cases will highlight the practical aspects of investing in these currencies, including the challenges faced and the strategies used to overcome them. By sharing these stories, we aim to provide a well-rounded perspective that can help new investors understand what to expect and how to approach investing in the IQD and VND. Thanks for exploring the investment potential of the Iraqi Dinar and Vietnamese Dong with us. If you found our analysis helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your views. Stay tuned for more insightful investment guides.